Hey everybody, welcome back to Learn Billiards. I'm Mitty Altman, your PBIA instructor. Alright, so today we're going to go over kick shots. It's a great shot to learn. It does take a lot of practice, but you will get it. You start learning your angles. Now, the easiest way to explain this is, obviously the kick shot would be my cue ball's over here. I can't make contact with my 6-ball with a traditional shot, so I need to play this cue ball into my long rail, have it kick off the rail, make contact with my 6-ball, my object ball over here, and pocket it in this corner pocket. Now the easiest way to describe this is, what I do is I look for, the general rule is, the angle into the rail is the angle out of the rail. So my object ball, I should say my cue ball, shooting it into the rail, I'm looking at my angle right here to say, okay, here's my shot. So my angle in, and then I bring it over to my object ball, and that would be my angle out. So let's take this shot and see how close. And that's exactly what we're looking for. All right, so again, with that shot, that one was pretty straightforward, because if you look at the diamonds on the table, I was pretty close to being on my third diamond. Remember, pockets count as a diamond, so I was 1, 2, 3, 3 diamonds over. Here's my cue ball here. My object ball against the rail, which if I consider this pocket, which you do consider this pocket, a diamond, then I split the difference. So object ball lined up with 1 diamond, I have my second diamond, then my third diamond, my cue ball was laying very close to it. So I look at my other rail and say, I go back 1 diamond, so 1 diamond in, 1 diamond out. So I use that diamond as my guide for this particular shot. And there you go. So the diamonds, you can't use them exclusively all the time, because your balls, it's very rare that your cue ball and your object ball are going to be lined up exactly where the diamonds are. But if you take them into consideration, the general vicinity of where your cue ball is in regards to a diamond versus your object ball, then it becomes, I'll move these balls out of the way so you can see more direct. Now this one would be super easy because my cue ball is in exact alignment with my object ball. So we have 1 diamond here for my pocket, my next diamond, which would be diamond number 2, then diamond 3. So my equal distance between these two is 1 diamond. So come in 1 diamond. So here's my angle into the rail, and that'll bring my angle out to the rail. So that's the shot that I took previously. And that's it. Practice these drills. Practice them 15 minutes, 20 minutes at a time, and then move the object ball and the cue ball a little bit further off your diamonds. But to start off with, I highly recommend using the diamonds, because it will help you tremendously to get the general idea of where you need to hit into the rail in order for the cue ball to leave that rail at the proper angle to make contact with your object ball. So, all right, let's take this shot. We're going to go to the 4th diamond. Remember, pockets count as diamonds, so corner pockets 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th diamond. That was pretty decent contact with it. Obviously, I sunk my object ball, and that's what I was looking for. So again, using these diamonds, it's a great way to learn where the cue ball is going to bounce off the rail, and hopefully, ultimately, the goal is to make contact with your object ball. This will help tremendously when you're playing competitive. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, and I'd love to hear from you.